All right, today is Zippo Saturday. Let's take a look at a few of my collectibles. Now these are the Marlboro horse and rider. Now this one's pretty old. You can tell because the face of the rider is actually worn down quite a bit. Let's compare it to one that's in pretty good condition. You can see the horse's mane is still really good there, and it's worn off there. So this one was made in, there's another anomaly. Usually they're stamped like this. Turn them over and the Zippos just like that. But on this one, somehow it got turned upside down. And this was a E of, I think that's X. Let's take a look. Yeah, that's X. E of X. And on the Zippo decoding card, a Zippo X is $1994. So that's a 30-year-old Zippo right there. Still sounds pretty good, but I'm not going to fire that one up. Let's take a look at this one. It's in really good shape. And it is a, looks like a VIII. And according to the chart, looks like a 1992 VIII. That one's in really good shape. It doesn't click that good. Here's another one that's pretty old. It's also got the upside down stampings. That's another X, which is still 1994. The horse and rider are pretty good. I'm only going to take a look at a couple more. This one is from another X, 1994. Horse and rider are pretty good. And one more. This is from April of VIII, which is also 1992. It's got a real good sound to it. And occasionally I will put the brass colored steel insert in a good one. And this is a little inscription on this is CUB. Stampings are fairly good. Let's see if this lights up like it should. And I think we'll do a quick drop test on this pretty old collectible horse and rider by Marlboro. So it still passes the drop test pretty good. And that's it for the Zippos made in USA. Definitely deserve a little cowbell. Knock a bump.